Hi guys, how are you today? It's supposed to be like a slide package, but it's not here yet. I don't think it's here yet. I don't think. Because I haven't. Okay, someone's here.
Oh, yeah. Rodrigo, por favor.
Don't think it's here yet. So yeah, but here's something else. Come on, there. Sometimes I have like this little thingy that off every time. Look at, and not here yet, so I'm waiting. And please give this a like and subscribe. If you're already subscribed, then turn on the post notifications on. And today's like button challenge is to do it with your, how do you call it? With your elbow. So yeah. Someone's here. I think it's this one.
I need you to sign here, please.
Okay. Okay, she's holding the camera.
I'll hold it.
There we go. Oh god. Okay, I can grab my slimes now. Ganda. Ow! Elizabeth me lo puso. There we go. The slimes. And thank you. Thank you for my slimes. So yeah. Okay, that was really weird. Wait, that was actually pretty cool. And they are both from the same, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's put that slime away. Got my charger for my phone. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's okay, you guys, I need to put the camera in. So again, with this thing, I think it's for playing with the slime and get a ball. And the box says that came with the both slime package. They're both from it is from Nana. I'm from the So Squishy to give me this. So for Nibirum to use the wall, from So Squishy to use this. First, let's go with So Squishy. So we have everything paired. Oh my goodness. It's kind of hard when you do this. And it'll stretch. But then it won't stretch. Get ready for being very, very, very bad one. Couldn't even pop it. Bubbles are so hard. Okay, yeah, let's just go to the next one. You can open it. I made this and opening it. I opened a slime and there was okay. This not fine. Okay, I'm gonna put the stretch on your face first. Sorry guys, that's the stretch. Let's see how good the slimes are. Okay. Not that good, like. Okay, let's go on to the next one, and let's put this one in its container. And it said Flint Fort Putty, but it feels like it's putty and not like actual slime. Putty is hard and that's hard. Okay, yeah. Can't even know how to close this stuff. Yeah. This and it's whatever. the bowl or the stage. I need to make food stuff. Sorry. Okay, yeah, so this feels much softer than another one. Super glossy. And not sticky at all. Look at this. Sticky at all because I could like look. How do I do this to you guys? See? Had no problem taking it off, and there is no piece of food left. It was right here. Okay. Yeah, right. Yeah. So yeah. Next, I'm just popping my bubbles, 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 bubbles. Oh. Super clicky. Yeah, super clicky. Look, I'm not even having a problem. Okay, now let's look at the sponsor. Oh my god, this is turning out better. I'm gonna put this one in the corner. Can show you another one. And you tell me which one's better. You guys show. Which one is better? That one? The purple one? Or this one? Oh my, no. I could totally tell. Let's get this one in the container. I don't really think I'm going to use it more. But this one is different. Don't buy so squishy slime. Because I think it's the container. Like, it has like an opening. Pop it really hard, but Nivea does have good container. But you need to be very careful with it because it's glass. And that's good. Not that difficult to like pop. Like, there we go. Whoa! No spray. Okay. Oh, I don't want to leave. That's before the street. I'm no wonder. Oh, guys. Then, reacting to songs. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't have a camera. What do? I'm not using it. I think going to the it's a video. Look at that. It's so. And it said it was glossy. It was glossy and it's not dripping. But anyway, that's what I hate. People that do. People order things that they want, but then they change it up. Like, I'm gonna flip up. guys, you've been asking me to do the cup song. Okay, so let's just put this slime away. So not part of it. Now we're gonna do. I'll have a cup. I'd rather stay here. But I have to put that on. Then you can't see it if it's so long. So got this. Got my thing. And I'm gone. I don't know what to do. Oh, I know what to do. Let's start first with my bed. When I'm gone. You can't miss me when I'm gone. You can't miss me when I'm gone. Can miss me when I'm can't miss me when I'm gone. I don't know what to do with the slime. It doesn't take that long, so it's good at poking. Okay, it doesn't take that long. When I'm gone. So let's put that in there. It's supposed to be half, right? But it's cup. 1/2 cups. When I'm gone. When I'm gone. You can't miss me when I'm gone. Can't miss me by my hair. You can't miss me everywhere. When I'm gone. So see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. Bye. And remember to like and peace.